Fibonacci retracements is an awesome tool to determine support and resistance levels for any stock or asset that you're tracking. Today I'm going to show you how to draw them on the thinkorswim platform and how to use them. The first thing you're going to want to do is open any chart. As you can see, I have NVIDIA chart open here today. And then to find the Fibonacci retracement tool, it's going to be right down here at the bottom right corner. It's by default this trend line, but you just click this little button right here, and then the fib retracement is like this little percentage icon, so just go ahead and click that. The proper way to draw the Fibonacci retracements on your chart is to pick a high point and a low point. It can be used on any time frame, but we're going to be using on the weekly chart since longer term levels are more significant. So for this example, I'm going to be drawing the fib retracements on this high point and this low point right here. So I just click once at the top, and then click a second time at the low point, and you can see it draws the Fibonacci retracements on the chart. When you draw the Fibonacci retracements from a high point to a low point, you can see it generates the upside 161.8% level and 261.8% level. However, if I were to delete this and then draw it from the low point to the high point, you can see it generates the downside levels of these, the 161.8%. So you may have noticed I drew these 2 points pretty quickly, and they're likely not the exact high and low point on the chart. So let me show you how you can actually edit these retracements so that's the exact perfect level. So what I'm going to do is zoom in on the first point here, the high point, and right click the candle that hits the highest point and do correct this bar. So this will pull up this window right here, and you can see the high point right there is 50.27. So I'm literally just going to copy that. And then I'm going to edit the Fibonacci retracement by right clicking it and doing edit properties. And then for the high value, I'm just going to paste that in at 50.27, and it'll automatically adjust to the exact point of that peak of the candle. Now I'll do the same thing for the other point, the low point here. I'm just going to zoom in. Then I'm going to right click this candle, correct this bar, and the low point is 1081. So I'm going to copy that, go back to edit the retracement, paste it in, press OK, and boom, now it's the exact high and low points levels right there. And if you wanted to flip-flop this easily without having to redraw it, you can pretty much just change the high and low point. So I'm going to do from 1081, just going to put this in a notepad here, and then 5027. I'm just going to flip-flop them, so I'm going to put 5027 here, and 1081 I believe it was there, then press OK. And it'll flip-flop, so now you can see the upside levels. The official Fibonacci retracement levels are the 23.6, 38.2, 61.8%, and 78.6%. While not officially a Fibonacci level, the 50% level is also used in technical analysis. While the Fibonacci retracements are great to use to identify key levels of support and resistance, they of course are not going to be 100% accurate, and they should be combined with other indicators for the best purpose. However, it's also great to set price targets and stuff like that. As you can see, the 161.8% level kind of predicts where it could go next. And as you can see on this point on NVIDIA, it did break through this level here. You could have used these Fibonacci retracements to play this breakout right here. And as you can see, it did bust through the 161.8% level, but then it came back and retraced and used that level of support and proceeded to go to the 261.8% level. However, that's going to do it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.